Hey everybody, it's Ryan, KC9OZA with 5.9 Radio. I'm just going to show you a soldering station that I've had for a while, and it's worked out pretty good. It's from Harbor Freight, and it's their 80-watt soldering station. They've raised the price. Since I've bought it, it was $80 whenever I purchased it. Now it's $120, but they always got coupons going on, so I'm sure you can get it a little cheaper. They actually got one right now, one item 25% off, so you could probably use that on this. But it is a adjustable. It's got a digital readout here. It does have 3 preset temps. So it says perform precise soldering on audio equipment, crafts, small appliances, sensitive electronics with variable temperature control. Designed with a high performance ceramic heater that reaches a max temperature of 896 degrees. Has standby mode, electrostatic discharge safe, temperature lock, digital display, high performance ceramic heater. So another thing that I bought whenever I got this is the jumbo helping hands. I do have one of the cheaper ones, but this one's got the magnifying glass with the light. That's a little bit more sturdy of a base. So I'll go ahead and we'll fire it up on the desk and take a look at it. So here we have the soldering kit. You got the main unit, a nice long power cord, base. It does come with your sponge and a couple extra tips. So we go ahead and fire it on here. It has your presets here. It'll show you it's getting up the temp. And it doesn't take very long for it to get hot either. But if you need to set, you can change your temperature. And in the manual it does say that even though these are preset from the factory, that you can set these yourself. All you got to do is wait till it says about the real temperature and then select what temperature you want, and then you hold the button down. It'll tell you if it saved it or not. So if you're doing constant projects with thinner solder, you can save that however you want. Just like here, I have some solder. I also got this at Harbor Freight, a little bit thicker. And at a recent Hamfest, it was actually Huntsville, I believe, I bought some of this thinner stuff. So, there, focus. A little bit smaller diameter. I use it on smaller projects. So, great little soldering iron, heats up really quick. And here is the base. It has a nice big magnifying glass. You can flip it up out of the way. Got your handy helper hands. And if you want, you can put your sponge and stuff here. Also holds your soldering iron there. But I just use this one. So I'll be using this in a couple videos coming up where I got some soldering projects to do. Thanks everybody for watching. 73s.